In the world of online marketing, countless products promise quick riches and effortless success. However, finding genuinely effective programs is crucial. Commission Blueprint Supercharged stands out in the crowded digital marketplace. Let's delve into the core aspects of this product and see if it truly delivers on its promises. Commission Blueprint Supercharged is a comprehensive training program designed to teach individuals how to generate substantial income through affiliate marketing. Created by Godfrey and Clayton, well-known figures in the internet marketing space, this program builds upon their previous successes and aims to provide an enhanced, actionable blueprint for aspiring marketers. The program is meticulously structured into easy-to-follow modules, each focusing on a critical aspect of affiliate marketing. The key components include fundamentals of affiliate marketing, basics to grasp essential concepts and terminology, niche selection and research, guidance on identifying profitable niches and conducting thorough market research, traffic generation, techniques for driving high-quality traffic to affiliate offers, including both free and paid methods, conversion, optimization, strategies for maximizing conversion rates and increasing campaign profitability, scaling and automation, advanced tactics for scaling successful campaigns and automating processes to save time and effort. Let's talk about the key features of Commission Blueprint Supercharged. First, we have the step-by-step training, which provides a clear roadmap from the basics to advanced strategies. Next, there are real-life case studies, showcasing numerous successful campaigns. Additionally, you'll have access to various tools and resources, including keyword research tools, traffic analysis software, and templates for email campaigns and landing pages. There's also robust support and community through a dedicated forum and regular Q&A sessions, where you can connect with peers and get expert advice. Lastly, the program stays relevant with regular updates, reflecting the latest trends and best practices. Here are the benefits of using Commission Blueprint Supercharged proven track record. Godfrey and Clayton's experience and success lend credibility to the program. Comprehensive coverage covers all aspects of affiliate marketing, making it a one-stop solution. Actionable insights. Practical training ensures quick implementation and results. Community support. A robust support system and community provide assistance and motivation. However, there are a couple of potential drawbacks. Time commitment. The program requires a significant time investment, initial investment. The initial cost may be a barrier for some, especially those on a tight budget. In conclusion, Commission Blueprint Supercharged is a robust and comprehensive training program that lives up to its promises. With detailed modules, real-life case studies, and an extensive support system, it provides all the tools and knowledge necessary for success in affiliate marketing. While it requires significant time and financial investment, the potential returns make it a worthwhile endeavor for serious marketers. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your journey or an experienced marketer seeking to enhance your skills, Commission Blueprint Supercharged is a valuable resource to achieve your goals. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights and reviews on the latest tools and programs. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.